Hi there, my name's Nate. I'm a library assistant at Falmouth Memorial Library, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about the Maine Memory Network. Created and managed by the Maine Historical Society, the Maine Memory Network is an online museum, archive, and educational resource for anyone interested in Maine and its history. The network's database contains tens of thousands of historical items from over 270 contributing partners across the state and beyond. The website's free to use and has many interactive features, including portals for users to share Maine stories, historical items, and educational resources. To access the Maine Memory Network, first type the web address for Falmouth Memorial Library into your browser. That's falmouthmemoriallibrary.org. On the right side of the library homepage, scroll down to the Digital Services heading, right below Join Our Mailing List, and click on Digital Maine Library. From the Digital Maine Library homepage, you can open the A to Z index using the menu at the top of the screen and find Maine Memory Network under M. That index is right here. Alternatively, you can scroll through the illustrated list of databases on the homepage, which is also alphabetical, and access Maine Memory Network that way. Clicking the link to Maine Memory Network within the Digital Maine Library brings you to the website's homepage, which contains a rotating graphic presenting a selection of the network's offerings, and below this, an illustrated menu of the site's different sections. We'll take a look at these sections in a moment. First, though, I want to give you some tips for navigating the site. You can access all of the pages listed here on the homepage of the website, plus Home, Login, Search, Mystery Corner, My Account, About, and Help pages using the menu at the bottom of the screen. This menu is the easiest one to use for navigating around the site because it never vanishes from the bottom of the screen and follows you as you move from page to page. Directly below this menu are links to websites run by or associated with the Maine Historical Society. There's the Maine Historical Society website, Maine Memory Network website, that just leads to this homepage, H.W. Longfellow, which is a website about the life and work of Henry Wadsworth Longfellow, and Vintage Maine Images, where you can purchase reproductions of many historical items collected on the Maine Memory Network website. You can access the Sign Up page and the Login and About pages and do a quick search up here in the top right-hand corner. This menu will also remain visible as you navigate the site. When you move from the home screen to any other page except for Maine Stories and Maine History Online, another menu appears on the left side of the screen that includes links to all the pages from the menu at the bottom of the screen, as well as an internal drop-down menu for navigating the subsections of the current page. The left-aligned menu also includes a second set of links to Maine Historical Society's associated websites. Those are right here. So now I'm going to give you a brief overview of the different sections of the site. First, I'll go back to the home page. So first we have Maine's Bicentennial. So in 2020, the state of Maine turned 200. It's 2021 now, but 200 years was a significant milestone, and this page provides links to a wide variety of bicentennial information and resources. This is a great place to learn about bicentennial programs, events, activities, and exhibitions, share and access lesson plans and educational resources, and read an in-depth overview of Maine's road to statehood. You can also add your personal histories and stories commemorating the bicentennial to Maine Memory Network's database. Back to the home page, and now the exhibit section. On this page, you can view Maine Memory Network's featured exhibits, search through the more than 250 exhibits that make up the online collection, and view an illustrated timeline of Maine's history from 17,000 BP to 2005. If you register for an account with Maine Memory Network, you can use the album feature to select and annotate items from the online collection and create your own exhibits. Here's My Maine Stories. In this section of the website, you can read, watch, and listen to stories about and by Maine people. This is also where you can share your own Maine story via text, video, audio recording, photographs, or a multimedia format. Maine Memory Network is currently collecting stories about COVID-19 in particular, and it invites all Mainers to share their personal experiences of the pandemic. Here's the education section. This page is a resource hub for teachers and students of Maine history and includes over 45,000 primary source materials, hundreds of online exhibits, and a virtual textbook. This is also where educators can access and share a wide variety of lesson plans, project ideas, and other classroom resources. Here's Maine History Online. This page features a collection of essays by scholars of Maine's history, organized by time period, theme, and critical approach. Each essay is paired with online exhibits that illustrate and contextualize the discussion. And you can see the theme search bar here and time periods there. And here's Share Local History. This section of the website is the portal through which organizations, institutions, and individuals can digitize, catalog, and share historical collections within the framework of the Maine Memory Network. All degrees of participation are welcome, from leaving a comment or contributing an item to an existing collection, to creating a new collection, or even building a website within the network. (1924) Tax Records. This collection contains 131 books with approximately 30,000 pages of records on Portland properties as they were in 1924. The records are searchable by address, owner, neighborhood, and other filters, and provide many specific details about a property's age, condition, dimensions, and much more. You can see some of the other search fields here. Finally, the Partners page provides a directory of the Maine Memory Network's contributing partners, resources for contributors, and information for organizations interested in joining the network. This video is intended to provide an overview of the Maine Memory Network and a brief look at everything the database has to offer. If you have any questions or would like help navigating part of the website not covered in this video, please don't hesitate to reach out to Falmouth Memorial Library's reference team at reference@falmouthmemoriallibrary.org. Thanks, and I hope to see you in the library soon.